Alesis Strike Multi-Pad, percussion pad with sampler and looper. I haven't seen an unboxing of this anywhere, so I thought, why not do it? Here we go. Here's the manual. Let's skip that, as we always do. Silica gel, keep everything dry. Here is the pad. It looks sort of like an MPC, doesn't it? But it's a drum controller, so you're not... You could play it with your hands, but you probably want to play it with drumsticks. And let's see, power adapter, standard stuff underneath, and power cable. More stuff under here. All right. Take the pad out of the plastic. It's not just a pad, it's a multi-pad, you see, because there are 6 square pads here and then 3 more on the top. So you can play it with drumsticks. You load it up with samples via USB or other methods of loading it. I think you can connect it to your computer and load it via USB, or you can put a USB drive on it and then bring the samples in with the user interface and stuff. Nice and solid, as you hope a drum pad will be, because you're going to be swinging your drumsticks on it quite a bit. There's a screen. People say that could be a bit dangerous that the screen is so near. So watch those drumsticks, right? Different knobs, stuff like that. Sample the all-important panic button in case the unforeseen circumstances should happen. The perform button, that's right, just press it and then you perform, right? But select your kit, all sorts of other things. This is going to be really fun to play. I've wanted to get a better drum pad for a pretty long time, so this seems like a good one to get. And see, there's mounting hardware on the bottom, so you can put it on a special drum rack or something. Let's get right to it.